We all know the stories of people sitting around the kitchen table with their Leaving Cert student, looking at what their options are after they finish school. And we in Sullus, a part of our strategy has been to make students more aware of the options that are available to them through further education and training.
The introduction of iVET as a formal module in the transition year programme has opened up the world of VET to schools nationally.
Students actually get an immersive experience in initial vocational education and training, and this is something that it's hard to do in schools.
There are great examples of these programmes happening across the country, including in Shelbegan Outdoor Education Centre as part of WWETB and Mallow VET College as part of Cork ETB.
The iVET programme gives an amazing opportunity for students to get out, to put hands on and to experience stuff for real.
Some of the skills I've definitely learned have been team building, where people are learning how to solve problems, work together.
If they can remember learning is lifelong and that the day you stop learning is the day you stop living, I'll feel like I've done something with the world.
The iVET module is really special. It was probably the first time that students have actually gone through to Mallow College to be able to see what it's like putting their own feet in the shoes of a student in third level.
That takes the fear of the unknown, because for many, they won't know what the job entails, or they won't know what a course here in Mallow campus will entail. So it gets them a little flavour for that.
I did the hairdressing course and I learned a lot about kind of what it's like to do the course here and maybe what it would be like to have a career in hairdressing.
It was also really nice because we had our own creative freedom, but we also had someone there if we needed help and if we didn't really know how to do something, so it was nice.
You can't beat that when you see the excitement in young people as they're shown something. It opens their eyes.
What we do after we finish secondary school, it isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. And what's unique about this programme is it gives students the opportunity to find something that they're genuinely interested in and have a look at the career path that they want for themselves.
Students are really enjoying the experience of actually engaging in FET pathway courses. It has the potential to evolve and support students engage in FET pathways throughout senior cycle.
It meets them at their point in their learning journey. It can allow them to explore their passions and to see the many pathways that exist within FET.
Sport, fun and helpful.
Fun, informative and creative.
Challenging, adventurous and refreshing.
Interesting, useful and fun.